What's up, game devs? Let's write the first bit of our Voidstone game engine. First, we're going to head over to our GDD and see what we should be doing. Looks like Milestone 0 is our dev setup, so let's get started. First, we're going to jump into a blank IDE. We're going to create a Hello World C file, copy over the SDL framework, and set up a makefile. This might look like I know what I'm doing with makefiles, but it's kind of an illusion. This is sped up like 20 times, and off to the side where you can't see, I have the make documentation, a ChatGPT window, and a few previous projects I set up in a similar way. The goal here is to get a Hello World running locally and in a web export. The local one was easy, but the web export takes a little fiddling. I'm using Emscripten, pretty standard setup. All right, there we go, Hello World. Now we're going to flesh out this Hello World into something that uses SDL, but first a little IDE configuration. We're going to be using SDL3's main callbacks. It's different than writing an SDL main or just a normal main. Basically, they handle all of the event looping. It's a lot more portable and makes Emscripten integration almost automatic. Most of this is boilerplate and almost dead on what the docs have in them. In my engine, I usually have a crash method. So that's what this is kind of working through. The crash method basically just dumps out some debug state and then kills the process. It tends to be platform specific, so you end up with a lot of platform specific behavior. And in this, as you can see, I'm using ifdefs. There's better ways to do this if you're using something like automake or cmake, but I'm not, so ifdefs work great for me. So that's the end of this dev session, but we're not done yet. The Emscripten HTML has a bunch of random crap that doesn't work well with itch.io. I'll need to pull that out and add some more error checking and a few other bits and bobs in the makefile. But we're about 3/4 done with Milestone 0. Subscribe to follow along.